To use PayPal for commissions in 2025, you need to start by creating a PayPal account if you do not already have one. Go to the PayPal website and click on Sign Up. Then follow the prompts to enter your email address and create a password. You will also need to provide some basic information such as your name and address. Once you have created your account, you need to verify it by linking a bank account or credit card to your PayPal account. This will allow you to receive payments from clients and transfer the funds to your bank account. To link a bank account, click on the Wallet tab and then click on Link a Bank Account. Then enter your bank account details. To receive commissions through PayPal, you need to provide your clients with your PayPal email address. You can do this by sending them an invoice or by giving them your email address directly. When a client pays you through PayPal, the funds will be added to your PayPal balance. To withdraw the funds from your PayPal account, click on the Wallet tab and then click on Transfer Funds. Then select the bank account you want to transfer the funds to and enter the amount you want to transfer. The funds will be transferred to your bank account within a few business days. It is also important to understand the fees associated with using PayPal for commissions. PayPal charges a fee of 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction for domestic transactions. For international transactions, the fee is 4.4% plus a fixed fee based on the currency. To minimize fees, consider using PayPal's invoicing tool to send invoices to clients. This will allow you to send professional-looking invoices and track payments. You can also consider setting up a PayPal business account, which will give you access to additional features such as invoicing and payment tracking. Finally, make sure to keep track of your PayPal transactions and fees by regularly checking your account activity. This will help you stay on top of your finances and ensure that you are not missing any payments. By following these steps and best practices, you can use PayPal to receive commissions safely and efficiently.